I am coming to you today from Detroit, and I am in back of the next house that we are going to work on renovating, and I'm calling this the New Yorker project. Why am I calling it the New Yorker when I'm in Detroit? Because last weekend a fan of my YouTube channel called from New York, and he's got this house and it needs some work, and the timing was absolutely perfect, and he knows that he doesn't even need to come here because I make videos. So I'm gonna make a video of the before so you guys can see what it looks like now, and I will come probably once a week if I can to video the progress of our work. I'm really excited to get in. I haven't seen anything on the inside, but you can see right now it's got the dog's doors, which are those coverings that keep the houses protected. So let's get inside.
Sitting here trying to figure out where things went wrong. Alone in this room of solitude, call my home. I smoked my mind the night before, trying to forget about you. Now I'm drinking away the pain, wouldn't you know? It still remains. And if I could, you know, would do it all again for you. And if I could, you know, would risk my heart again for you. 'Cause your love is all I need to It's your love that is all I need. Well, I packed up my bags and I drove away, leaving behind the memories that haunt me every day. As I look in the mirror for a last goodbye, all I see is this tired face with pain in its eyes. And if I could, you know I would do it all again for you. And if I could, you know I would risk my heart again for you. 'Cause your love is all I need to get by. It's your love is all I need. I said your love is all I need to get by.